Hey everyone, we have another unboxing video today. It's this, I believe it's a package I got from eBay. Toy Collector's Fair 2010. Kinda cool. And then which is a Triple H figure. I'm not sure like what collection it's from. It is a Jakks one, but it doesn't say which series it is or anything. You know. If anyone can look at that head scan and knows which series this is, please let me know. Yeah, it's quite a good likeness, I think. It's really quite good. He's gurning a little bit. He's got a moustache sort of thing going on. He's minus his elbow pads, knee pads, but you know, I got this for like £2 from eBay. So yeah, that's Triple H.